Question 4 is your evaluation question. Here you are being asked to give your opinion on how effectively the writer presents something, and to support your views with evidence and analysis of techniques. This question is worth 20 marks, so you should spend 25 minutes on it. It is worth mentioning that this question is worth the same amount as the other 3 questions combined. So it's imperative you follow timings carefully to ensure you have sufficient time to answer this one in depth. Many students fall down on this exam spending too much time on questions 2 and 3, which means they have to rush through this vital question, losing lots of marks. Don't let that be you. The question will always start by giving you a specific part of the source to focus on, followed by a statement you are asked to agree or disagree with. In this case, you are told to focus on the second half of the extract, from line 20 onwards. And the statement is, in this part of the source where the hyena comes out from under the tarpaulin, it could be seen as funny rather than threatening. The writer suggests that the hyena is actually no serious threat to Pi. Beneath this is the question itself, which asks you, to what extent do you agree and or disagree with this statement? Beneath the question, you'll see 3 bullet points reminding you of what to do. Consider your impressions of how the hyena behaves. Comment on the methods the writer uses to present the hyena. Support your response with references to the text. These bullets are not a fixed plan for your answer, but they highlight the 3 things examiners want to see: evaluation, analysis of methods, and textual evidence. So, how should we approach this? You need to make a judgment about how far you agree or disagree with the statement. The highest level answers don't just pick a side, they balance both viewpoints, considering where the hyena might appear comical, but also where it still feels dangerous in this case. A useful way to structure your answer is to give a clear overall opinion in your introduction. Select and analyse evidence that supports the statement, the hyena is funny. Balance this with evidence that challenges the statement, the hyena is threatening. Conclude by returning to your overall argument. Remember, your analysis should focus on the writer's techniques which support the view you are arguing. These can be language or structure techniques, and provided they are from the correct section of the extract, in this case lines 20 onwards, you may reuse evidence from other questions. Let's look at the extract and consider evidence which supports the statement. It did 1 lap, 2, 3, 4, 5 and onwards, non-stop till I lost count. Uses listing and hyperbole to present the hyena as manic and chaotic. The writer's use of onomatopoeia in yip, 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 yip also sounds more comical, like a tiny yappy dog, rather than a savage beast. To argue the hyena is threatening, we could choose the internal focus on Pi's emotions, such as I was seized by fear, or I tensed, and the focus on setting in made the boat shake, also indicate the hyena's power, emphasizing a sense of threat. Since you have 25 minutes for this question, spend 5 minutes carefully selecting your evidence. You could label your quotes A for agree and D for disagree, so you're already organising them for the argument you'll make. Now, to achieve the top band in the mark scheme, the examiners are looking for the following skills: shows perceptive and detailed evaluation, develops a convincing and critical understanding of ideas, shows perceptive understanding of writers' methods, evaluates critically and in detail the impact of the writer's ideas and methods on the reader, selects a range of judicious textual detail. For the pace of the video, I'll only include an example of the opening and ending of an answer. So, a top grade opening argument might read like this. I partially agree with this statement, as the hyena is frequently presented in ways that make it appear absurd and comical, but there are also moments where the writer reminds us of its dangerous potential. The writer portrays the hyena as manic and ridiculous through its repeated, restless movements. The line, it did 1 lap, 2, 3, 4, 5 and onwards, non-stop till I lost count, uses both listing and hyperbole to emphasize its chaotic behavior. The endless rhythm makes the animal seem almost mechanical, unable to control itself, which reduces the sense of threat and instead paints a humorous image of futility. Similarly, the onomatopoeia yip 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 is far from terrifying. The high-pitched sound is more like a yappy pet dog than a savage predator. These choices make the hyena appear pitiful and silly, entertaining the reader rather than scaring them. Here's an example of an ending argument which offers the opposite opinion, using evidence and evaluation. However, the text also reminds us that the hyena is far from harmless. The internal focus on Pi's fear, for example, I was seized by fear, and I tensed, creates a sharp contrast to the comic imagery. These declaratives highlight Pi's vulnerability, showing that from his perspective, the danger is immediate and overwhelming. The focus on setting also reinforces the sense of threat. When the hyena made the boat shake, its physical power is clear. Here the reader is reminded that beneath the humour is a strong, unpredictable predator whose actions could easily turn violent. In conclusion, I partially agree with the statement. While the hyena is presented in a comical and absurd way through its yapping and restless circling, the writer carefully balances this with moments of real tension that underline its physical threat. This juxtaposition of humour and danger makes the creature unpredictable, keeping the reader both entertained and uneasy about Pi's fate. To give yourself a secure chance of hitting the top marks, you would want to develop further points on both sides of the argument, if time allows. But hopefully this gives you a good overview of the quality necessary to achieve a top band answer.